Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just hammocking at our beautiful campsite in the Prescott National Forest, and we just ate a delicious dinner. And now for dessert, I want something sweet. So we've got some new candies to try out, and they are supposed to be a little bit healthier than normal candy. So let's see if they taste any good. So we've got some Smart Sweets here. We have a sour melon bite, and then we have these Sour Blast Buddies. Now for each one of these, there is only 3 grams of sugar for the whole package, which they are a little small. They're only 1.8 ounces. And I did order these online, and it did say the ounces, but you never really know how big it's going to be. Most of this package is just air, so it doesn't seem like there's very much candy in here at all. But who knows? Maybe they're going to be delicious, so it's not going to matter if the size is a little disappointing. Now it is nice, however, the serving size is this entire bag, so I can eat the whole thing and not feel bad about it. Let's see what they taste like. Let's open up the sour melon bites. Now these are gluten-free, plant-based, and there's no sugar alcohols added. It does say the sugar alternative is allulose. It says allulose is a new innovative low GI sweetener that tastes like sugar but doesn't act like sugar in the body. Oh, they look kind of funky. They do not look anything like the picture. The picture makes it look like it's covered in like a sugary coating, and that is not what that looks like. It is pretty good though. It does taste like watermelon. Not super sour, but yeah, it's pretty good. Let's try to hand them off to Mr. Cameraman so we can open the next bag. Yeah, but the Sour Patch Kid watermelons are good. You like those. Now these are the same. There's just 3 grams of sugar, plant-based, no sugar alcohols added. Now these are Sour Blast Buddies, which to me seem kind of like Sour Patch Kids. And it is cool because the watermelons are just watermelon flavored, but this is berry flavor, blue raspberry flavor, lime, lemon, and orange. So there's a bunch of different flavors in here. Do you like those ones?
Yeah, they're alright.
They taste kind of artificial. Like more so than a normal candy. And again, these look way different than the bag. The bag shows like a sugar coating on the candies. And these do not look like there's any sugar on them. It basically just looks like a little gummy bear. And they're not sour at all. They just taste like... Even Zena doesn't want it. They just taste like kind of bad gummy bears. That's really disappointing. The watermelon ones are way, way, way better than these. Definitely would not recommend the Sour Blast Buddies. But if you really, really, really needed to get your sweet tooth fix in and you still wanted to be a little bit healthier, you could try out the watermelon ones, but even those ones are not that amazing. These Sour Blast Buddies, to me, taste like Swedish fish mixed with a gummy bear. Well, after I tried both flavors that I got of these Smart Sweets, I am definitely not impressed. They were really expensive. I'll definitely make sure to put the price up here, but I would not recommend wasting your money on these. I mean, they're okay, but they're totally not worth it at all. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Was that better? Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.